Number 25. Dolphins are capable of making a broad range of sounds using nasal air sacs located just below the blowhole. Roughly 3 categories of sounds can be identified: frequency modulated whistlers, burst pulse sounds, and clicks. The clicks are among the loudest sounds made by marine animals. Number 24. Dolphins are an increasingly popular choice of animal-assisted therapy for psychological problems and developmental disabilities. Number 23. Dolphins are famous for their playful behavior, and one of the most fascinating playful displays is creating bubble rings. They can produce all sorts of bubbles by releasing air from their blowholes underwater. Number 22. The killer whale is the largest member of the dolphin family. They can reach 30 feet in length and swim as fast as 30 miles per hour. Number 21. Next to bonobos and humans, dolphins are the only animal species that can have sex just for pleasure. Number 20. Dolphins can swim at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour when they are in a hurry, although they usually swim at speeds of 7 to 8 miles per hour. Number 19. One proof of their unusually high intelligence is the fact that adult individuals sometimes teach their young how to use tools. For instance, they cover their snouts with sponges to protect them while foraging. Number 18. Dolphins are highly social animals, often living in pods of up to a dozen individuals, though pod sizes and structures vary greatly between species and locations. In places with a high abundance of food, pods can merge temporarily, forming a superpod which may exceed 1,000 members. Number 17. The smallest dolphins are about 4 feet long, while the longest can reach up to 30 feet in length. Their weight can range from about 90 pounds to more than 11 tons. Number 16. The skin of a dolphin is very delicate, and it can easily be damaged by contact with other surfaces. That is why you are obligated to remove all sharp objects such as rings when interacting with the animals. Number 15. Their gestation period varies with species. For small species such as the Tukutsi dolphin, the period is around 11 to 12 months, while orcas are around 17 months. Number 14. There are about 100 teeth in the mouth of a dolphin. They use the teeth to grab their prey, but they don't chew it. All food is swallowed whole. Number 13. The name dolphin is originally from the Greek word Delphi, which was related to the Greek Delphus, meaning womb. The animal's name can therefore be interpreted as a fish with a womb. Number 12. Dolphins can dive up to 1,000 feet, but they usually do not dive very deep. Many bottlenose dolphins live in fairly shallow water. In the Sarasota Bay area in Florida, dolphins spend a considerable amount of time in waters that are less than 7 feet deep. Number 11. The bonds of dolphins within a group are intense. They have been observed to handle the sick, the elderly, and those that have been injured with great care. Number 10. All dolphins breathe air, but their breathing intervals differ. Some need to get to the surface every 20 seconds, while others only need it about every 30 minutes. Number 9. Most species of dolphins live in salt water, but some of them, for example the Irrawaddy dolphin, thrive in fresh water. Number 8. The oldest dolphin in human care was Nellie, who died at 61. She was kept at Marine Land Dolphin Adventure in Florida. Number 7. The dolphin is the only mammal that gives birth with the tail first instead of the head. Number 6. Dolphins use echolocation to find food and navigate. Number 5. Dolphins often use a hunting tactic of circling schools of fish and forcing them to make a tight ball. Then, they will take turns going through the center of the ball to feed. Number 4. Dolphins have to be conscious in order to breathe. This means that they cannot fully sleep. Rather, dolphins let half of their brain sleep at a time so that one half is always awake. Number 3. Dolphins are extremely playful and curious animals. They play fight with each other and also play with seaweed. They also have been known to play with other animals such as dogs and cats. Number 2. Dolphins can travel as far as 20 feet in the air when jumping out of the water. And number 1. An adult dolphin can eat up to 30 pounds of fish every day. If you like what you just saw, consider pressing that orange subscribe button on the upper right hand corner of your screen. And if you want more awesome lists, check out our 25 most dangerous hikes, treks, and climbs on Earth, and our 25 interesting beer facts that will leave you tipsy.